in this video, all we're gonna do is we're gonna fly and get some footage for you. This whole video will be all about the footage, and hopefully you guys enjoy the footage and enjoy. So if you have any comments, please post them below and let me know what you think. All right, enjoy the flight. Peace. Dude, man, this thing could take a hit. Dope. This thing could take a hit. The whole clamp broke off. Well, that does it, guys. The GoPro, the Action 2 popped right off of the Sector 5. You can see I crashed and this whole print broke, so it did crack and impact. That sucks. Anyways, well, that should do it for now. I'm just gonna do some free flying. I mean, I didn't bring an extra part, so there you go. That does it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.